Good.
Good. Oh my God. Good. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Good. Stay. Stay. Good. Touch. Good.
And where did she come from?
Kansas.
Like a rehabber or?
She was found stuck in an oil rigger in Kansas at a couple of days old. I mean, a couple of weeks old. We'll show people they're jumping. Over. Good.
She's purring away, huh?
Yeah, she loves being trained. Good. Now she's acting very frantic.
Yeah.
Good. Good. So when she's on the ground, she's gonna waddle. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay.
Nolly, come on. With me. With me.
Yeah.
High five. Good. What a good boy. Circle. Circle back. Good. 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 Do it again. Good. That was a better one. Good. Don't land in my lap. Good. Okay, talk some more. Good.
I didn't catch that.
That's all I have.